Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar is going up pretty strong. If you've seen my full top down video from Sunday, you know that this possibly could be a wave X. And if it is a wave X, then we could be due for a very big move to the downside. But because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily are definitely still in an uptrend, I personally would definitely still be looking for longs unless the daily time frame at least gives us a reason not to, like a nice engulfing move to the downside, which has definitely not happened yet. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down. If we get a nice solid bounce from this 78%, like a nice engulfing move to the downside, it possibly could be an A, B, and C. Now, for me personally, I'm only looking for longs right now, but if you are a short time frame trader and you don't mind some counter trend trading and you do see this setup, then you definitely could take it as a short. I think that the better money, the more reliable money is definitely looking for longs at the end of all these little pullbacks. There's definitely been quite a few pretty decent little long opportunities. And unless the daily time frame tells me otherwise, I will definitely be doing nothing but continuing to look for these long opportunities. Whether or not it does end up making a good short, I don't really know. It definitely looks like it could be, but the safer, better money is definitely still trading with the higher time frame trend to the long side. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.